Okay, once again, this is your acronym individual giving you a verse a day from Proverbs chapter 15, verse 5. It's all about parents. Okay, a stubborn fool despises his father's discipline, but whoever appreciates a warning shows good sense. Parents, your mother says run right. She may be correct, but because she said to go one way, you want to go the opposite direction. Proverbs encourages you to give a bit more consideration to what your parents say. Don't automatically dismiss something as a dumb idea just because it came out of your parents' mouth. Take a deep breath, then listen. Get the straight scoop in Proverbs chapter 15, verse 5 on how we should treat our parents' advice. Sabi nga po sa kasabihan na walang magulang ang hindi naghangad ng mabuti sa kanyang mga anak. Ang tanging hangad ng magulang ay puro kabutihan sa kanyang mga anak. So, ang tanging kilang po dyan is obedience. Hindi ka mapapasama kapag ikaw ay sumunod sa magulang. I don't know a parents that will teach his child to do wrong. As far as I know, lahat ng magulang tuturuan niya ng kabutihan. Ituturo niya ang mabuti. I don't know. But in general, parents are guiding their children to do good. Parents are the one who is injecting, if not inculcating, injecting. Ibig ko pong sabihin, sila ang nagtuturo, sila ang unang teacher mo, sila ang unang nagpatuturo sa iyo ng kabutihan. Kasi sabi nga, yung upbringing ng isang bata is nasasalamin kung paano siya pinalaki ng kanyang anak, ng kanyang ina, ng kanyang mga magulang. So, let's obey our parents and be an obedient child. Obedience is always the key. To God be the glory. This is your acronym individual.